Hey viewers, welcome to our channel, and today I'm gonna draw a cute panda. But first of all, I wanna say that if you are a new viewer of my channel, then don't forget to subscribe, cause we upload new videos every week. So here you can see that the panda's head is almost marked, and here's his tiny like here. And now I'm gonna try to draw his eyes. You know that panda's eyes look so big, but it's not. Rather, its skin is different from other animals. Some were black, some were white, like that. Wow, eyes are perfect. Now we have to make one more circle just around his eyes. Do the same thing for both of his eyes, like this. And now make a shape like an oval. Perfect! Now fill the shape with black. Be careful, don't let your color go inside that marked area. Wow! Now he is really looking like a panda. It's time to draw his nose, ears, and mouth. So as you can see, here's a tiny nose and a tiny mouth. Pandas are so adorable, I just love them. They're so cute. Look at its ears. Just fill the ears with black, except that little portion. Wow! Now we will draw his body and hands and legs. Tiny hands of a tiny panda. Here's his belly. Ooh. And his belly button. And his legs. Fill the legs with black. And same as for his hands. Okay, now I will use a little pink for his that ear area and belly. Be careful about that belly button. Don't push your paint too much there. Okay, perfect. Just his neckband left. What do you think? What color should we use? Our panda is trying to dance. Just red would be perfect. So I'm using the red for his neckband. Wow, she's absolutely perfect now. Thank you so much for watching the video, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.